Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written here. Here we need to find the value of k for which x is equals to 3 is the solution of the given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is k plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6 is equals to 0. So write down the given quadratic equation, which is k plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6 is equals to 0. A given x is equals to 3 is a solution of the quadratic equation. So if x is equals to 3 is a solution, then we need to substitute x is equals to 3 into the given equation, given quadratic equation, and find the value of k. So k plus 2, x squares mean 3 square, so minus k into plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 0. So k plus 2, 3 square becomes 9 minus 3k plus 6 is equals to 0. Now distribute the k plus 2 on 9. So 9 times of k is 9k, 9 times of 2 is 18. So 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 is equals to 0. So now combine like terms. So 9k minus 3k becomes 6k and 18 plus 6 becomes 24. So 6k plus 24 becomes 0. If you subtract 24 on both sides, we'll get 6k equals to minus 24. So if you divide 6 on both sides, k is equals to 24 by 6. So which is k is equals to minus 4. So finally we can conclude that the value of k is minus 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.